Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I talk about smart TVs, electronics, and how to use them effectively. I also share how to download applications on your smart TV or Android TV. So in this particular video, I will show you how to download travel channel on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV and you want to download travel channel application, here's exactly what you have to do. Here's my Samsung Smart TV. It might have a different operating system from yours or the same. It's still the same thing. The process is still the same. First, you connect to the internet and then you locate your app store. Once you locate the app store, you launch it and open it, and here's how mine looks like. Now, in your app store, you are going to try to get the travel channel application. There are two ways to get this application. You can go ahead by just trying to browse on the various applications and see what is available. So you just go out and come over to sports. Sorry, yeah, to lifestyle or sport. I think the channel is in sports, and then you can scroll through to try to locate the application. Let's see if that's going to work. Yeah, here's the application we're looking for, travel channel. You can just come over here and download it or go straight away to search for the application. Now to search for the application, you can just type in a whole keyword or just part of it. Now I'm showing this second method for those of you who don't see the application by browsing on your app store. So just go over here and search travel channel, or you can just use travel, and I'm sure the application is going to pop up. So let's just go ahead and search travel. You search travel, I think travel channel is going to pop up. That's it. So just go ahead and click on it and you can hit the download button, and the application will download it straight away to your Samsung Smart TV. So if you found this helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.